Discord have had this one secret promotion that I did not even know about. But now I do, and I can tell all of you about this. I am a new Discord YouTuber that is going to try his best to give his viewers Discord Nitro. So please like, subscribe, and support this channel so that you can never miss on when Discord gives out free Nitro and get it for free. So now, let's talk about how you can get your hands on the Discord Nitro. Go to the description of this video and click this link, which goes to Epic Games. This promotion of Discord is with Epic Games, so when you are in their website, either log in or create an account if you don't already have one. So after logging in, this is how the website will look like. What you will have to do here is click on the search bar and search for Discord Nitro. Open this page. Here you can see that Epic Games is giving away a free Nitro. However, you cannot get this offer. So, in order to get this, go to the search bar again, and this time, search for Discord. After you have this page of Discord opened, what you have to do is click on this Get button. This is going to be completely free. So, don't worry about anything. They will not charge you a single dollar. So once you're done, now go back to Discord Nitro page of Epic Games, and now finally, you can claim the Nitro and click on Get to claim it. This was it, and now we are left with one final step. Go on to the next link in description, and you should be on gmail.com. And here, you should see this email from Epic Games, which will have the link to Discord Nitro. If you don't want to do this all, just DM me on Discord and I will give you my link. In the link, you will just have to put your payment information in and you will get your hands on Discord Nitro.